Kamusta guys? Welcome back to our channel. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Pat.
And I'm Kat.
And we are the Drug Queens.
We're all about drugstore and affordable beauty products.
We do makeup tutorials, reviews, and challenges.
In today's video, we're going to do a back-to-school tutorial. Pat is going to be
Principal. College student.
And I'm the nursing. And I'm going to do parang yung pwede sa high school.
Disclaimer lang, lahat po ng gagawin namin, nagbe-base siya sa ginawa namin dati. So, nasa sayo pa rin kung gusto mo bang mag-makeup or not. So, we're not encouraging,
Promoting in any way na lahat ng high school at ng college mag-makeup, okay?
Yes. Kasi sa totoo lang, hindi na naman ako nag-makeup ng high school. Concealer lang. Okay na.
So, if you wanna know kung paano namin siya ginawa, then please keep on watching! Okay, so start na tayo with our face. Pero alala ko kasi nung high school, dinidiscourage talaga yung mga foundation and stuff. So, ang palusot dyan is BB cream. I'm gonna use yung Maybelline Super BB Water Essence and Mineral Powder. Okay, next up is concealer. Alam ko naman na most of the time nung high school, di naman tayo masyadong puyat because of schoolwork, pero medyo puyat tayo kakanood ng series, nakakanood ng cartoons, anime, kung ano man trip mo. Ito na yung cheapest na nahanap ko na concealer, which is Shawill Makeup Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer. If you wanna know yung review nito, you can check out yung previous video namin. I'll link it up here. Okay, next naman is yung kilay. Nung high school kasi actually, bawal kami magkilay. Pero optional ito, kung meron ka ng kilay na maganda, then go. Okay, so next is yung ating eyes. And since bawal mag-eyeliner pa noon, mascara na lang tayo. Siyempre is yung ating cheeks and yung lips. And syempre dahil nung high school, medyo, on budget tayo, meron tayo dito yung lip and cheek tint from Earth and Eve. Organic siya and 8 hours siya naglalast. So, okay siya kasi usually naman 8 hours tayo nasa school. So, this one is really good. Let's apply this na. Okay, ang last step nung high school is yung isa-set mo yung face mo with Johnson's baby powder. And dati uso pa nga yung baby powder na may color. At ito yung technique na natutunan ko nung high school. Kailangan may towel ka na clean or panyo. Tapos dito mo nilalagay yung baby powder. Ganun. Tapos, ito daw yung gagamitin mo pang spread sa face mo. Ayun na, ganito lang kasimple and kabilis yung ating high school makeup.
Start tayo sa ating face. So, gamit tayo ng foundation. Siyempre, mumurahing foundation lang at dahil college student tayo, wala tayong time sa sarili natin, hindi tayo magli-liquid. Cream lang tayo. Tapos na tayo sa ating foundation. So, ang susunod naman natin is yung kilay. And, okay, kilay, ganito na siya kaliit. Kasi, aminin na natin, sobrang tagtipid tayo ng college. At wala na naman tayong sharpener. So, sharpen ko lang to. Wait lang ha. sa ating kilay, concealer na tayo ngayon. Gagamitin ko ngayon yung Flormar. And sobrang nakakatipid lang siya at nagamit ko na siya ilang beses. Ganyan naman tayong college students eh. Itipid natin lahat para sa lakwatsa, sa date, sa party. Pero yung makeup natin, hanggang next year kaya pa. So, lalagay lang natin siya sa parts na gusto nating itago. Crush. Loved one. Hangover. Thesis. Yan yung mga kina-cover up natin ng concealer. And to complete our base, we will just put this VLK Dip and Chic shade of pink sa ating cheeks. Kasi nung college ako, nag-eyeliner ako. So, this is optional naman. Actually, lahat ng ginagawa ko optional sa'yo pa rin yan kung pulbos or ano ka. Pero, eyeliner for that wing effect. So, you put it as close as possible sa yung lash line. Kasi ayaw naman natin pakita na naka-makeup tayo. Yung eyeliner kasi, ito yung magpa-pop ng mata mo. So, para mas maging open siya, hindi halatang nagpuyat ka sa thesis mo. So, nasa sa'yo yan kung gusto mo maglagay ng subtle wing. But, yun lang siya. Diba? Nakita niyo yung difference? Yung mas ito parang, wow. Simple, diba? So, imbis na tumutok sila sa eye bags mo, tututok sila sa mata mo. Diba? And to finish our eye look, syempre maglalagay na tayo ng mascara. So, kahit anong mascara naman is okay. Nasa sa curler talaga yan. Nakapili ka ng waterproof. Yung tipong kaya ng from 7 a.m. hanggang 9 p.m. Plus extracurricular. So, for mascara, we will be using yung EB Advanced Lash Define Waterproof Mascara. Meron siyang pang top and bottom lashes and mura lang siya. To finish everything, we will be using this L'Oreal True Match Event Perfecting Powder Foundation. Kailangan mo din to. Wala na kung schedule mo, may 3 hours break ka. Diba? Ito na yun. Ito na yung pang touch up mo. Last but not least, we will be using lip tint. And we will be using the Lustrous Raw. Place it here. Dab. Okay, and we're done with this look. Oh, diba? Natuyo agad siya. Nag-blower lang and then I'm ready. Kat?
Patulong naman ako sa homework ko.
Wait lang, may tinatapos ako. Oh, sige. Meeting lang natin yun mamaya. Oh, sige, meeting tayo. Okay. Oh, ano yun?
Ate Pat, patulong ako sa homework.
Wait lang, nagtatanong sa sleep ko, ha? Teka lang. Okay, go. Ano yun?
Yung homework ko kasi sa...
Kat, ang dami ko ginagawang extracurricular activities. Meron pa akong posisyon sa iba. Sabihin mo na lang sa akin kung ano yung gusto mo.
Hindi na lang ng pang milk tea.
Oh, ito. Nesty milk tea, ha? Meron ka pang 4 na pisong sukle. Pang candy mo, okay? Oo nga. Oh, I know. Gagawin natin. Okay. And that is it for today.
I hope you enjoyed the video that we made. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below kung meron pa kayong gustong tutorials na makita sa channel namin.
Don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts. We post there almost every day. Our Facebook is @drugqueens12. Our Instagram is @drug.queens. Thank you all so much, and we hope we get to see you next week. Bye!